Saw a better lightning bolt. Look at that dipshit. What are you doing, pal, in the lightning area? What a nutball. Oh. Cool. Holy fuck. I missed it. Go so freaking fast. It's not even funny, guys. I don't know if I should just put the camera here or where. I'm trying to think. Think fast, you little shit. 1 sec. Yeah. Let's just zoomed in. Oh, I caught it on tape. Woo! My first lightning bolt on tape. Cool. Is there any more? Wish I zoomed into that, but close enough. You gotta say. It's pretty awesome. Kind of some nasty weather. Seems to be over there that's making all the lightning. Come on. Nothing seems to hold this thing. Try this. Oh, God. Is that it? Oh, sort of solid. Lightning's awesome. Oh! That was the best lightning bolt I saw on tape.